So it's a mini ductor, nice little kit. It comes with a few little accessories and some wire. And today's the first time I've properly used it. Also got a little mini oxyacetylene kit, but this is the little beastie. And what we've got here is quite a rusty the plates on the subframe, and they are absolutely rock solid, literally rock solid. So what I'm going to do is heat them up and see how quickly it works. Right, so get it on there. Takes about 30 seconds, I think. Nice handy little light as well, which is quite good. Can hear it crackling already. I think this mini ductor from Venom is 1000 watts. You can get more powerful ones, but this is about 550. Paid about 550 for this one, and there you can see it's properly glowing now. I'll give you an idea of the heat on that. But it's quite rusty. A little hole there. Main subframe's okay. But yeah, it's got to be replaced. So we'll just put this back on. That is bloody hot, my goodness me. Yeah, watch the debris as it comes off, because that's pretty damn hot. Right, let's see what it... Oh my god, look at that. I don't even have to put any pressure on that at all. That literally moved instantly. Superb. They're quite rusty. They have lost their shape quite badly, as you can see. Again, see how tight this one is. Get a bit of pressure on there. I can't even move it. I'm rocking the van. It's very tight indeed. So we'll give it another go. Let's see what it's like. Like I say, just watch the falling debris, because it is hot when it comes off. I've been wanting to get an induction heater for a long time, but I didn't want to spend £500, £600, £700, £1,000, some of them are. But my Mac Tools dealer, Pavel, did me a deal at £550, I think it was, plus VAT, and with the added bonus that I just pay him weekly, which has really helped me out, and it's managed to get the tool that I've wanted for a long time, and clearly that works beautifully. In fact, this one's heating up a lot quicker, as you can see. A lot quicker, but we'll get it really roasting hot. Lovely. Right, put that down there. God almighty, that's hot. And we'll have another go at this. 1 second. Just watch that. Right, see how much pressure this takes. Again, instantly. Brilliant tool. And the added bonus with using that is you haven't got a hot flame that can cause quite a lot of damage. But